Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I want to show you how to use LG washing machine, washer plus dryer. Let me show you how it is. So this is the washer. It's a 10.5 7 kg wash and dry. It's a 2-in-1. That's how it looks like. So the first thing, you need to switch on your machine, and to put on your setting you have to switch it on over here. This button is to switch it on, like that. So when you switch it on, you realize you have the settings over here, the steam cycles, the ones that you are supposed to use when you are washing the clothes. You have to select them using this knob. You see, when you twist it, these lights moves along with you. So when you have to wash cotton clothes, we have the cotton setting, we have the cotton plus setting, we have the mixed fabric, easy care, silent wash. This one is used when you don't want it to make a lot of noise while washing. We have allergy care, baby steam care when you have baby clothes. We have some delicates too. You can use them to wash delicate clothes or even baby clothes. You have hard or wool. These are the clothes that are little hard wash, or the wool. We have quick 30 when you want to wash your clothes fast. A quick 31, it's not dirty but you want it washed. We have the dry on you option when you have already washed the clothes and you want them to dry, so you put the dry only option. Then we have the wash plus dry 7 kgs. So this is when you want to wash them and dry them at the same time. You put the wash and dry, and you must make sure that the weight of the wet clothes doesn't exceed 7 kg. When it exceeds 7 kg, the tub will produce a certain noise that to tell you that it's above 7 kg. Then you have the tab clean. Tab clean is used when you are cleaning the washing machine to clean the tab. This is a tab. That's where you put the setting of tab cleaning. Then we have the download cycle. This one is used, you can download an app on your phone and then you download the cycle. So when you are putting up your settings, you realize that there is these other extra functions over here. Anytime you select, let me select maybe cotton, you can see on my right side the settings keep on changing depending on the function that you select. So we have the timer over here, we have the temperature, and we have the spin. So we have 40 degrees, 60, 95, 20 and 30. You can choose the temperature that you want. The system is a touch, so you can change the temperature after you put your setting. You see, when I put on cotton plus, the temperature moved to 60 degrees. Let's use mixed fabric, it moved again to 40. These are default settings, but you can change them for yourself. When you have easy care 40 and the spins keep on changing, you can see this is the amount of spin itazunguka mara ngapi kiosha. We have 800. When you put it to cotton, you see it has changed to 1400. So the other thing that we have here is these other settings. We have intensive pre-wash. This is when you want your clothes to be pre-washed. You can touch it. You can see when you touch it, it lights up for intensive pre-wash. When you want them to rinse, you just touch the rinse button. The dry option, we have the dry option over here and the dry option over here. So it's up to you to decide which the dry option that you want to use. Then we have the delay aid and Wi-Fi. So the delay aid is when you want to your clothes to delay. Maybe you are at work or you want them to start washing late so that they cannot stay for a long time in the washing machine when they start finishing. So you can set the time to delay, and that is they start washing at a specific time, so that when you are maybe home, you find them they have already washed and they are adding the washing. And then you have the add item. This is used when you have forgotten to add an item, maybe a cloth you are washing and you forget to add it, so you can use the add item over here. But remember, the add item works until a specific time. I can't really remember the time, but it's a time that you cannot add the item when the clothes have already maybe stopped washing and they are maybe drying or something. You cannot add an item, so it works until a specific time. So about the detergent that you use, we have the detergent box over here, and it has 3 slots. So we have this one, we have this one and this one. So the first slot, it's D10 one over here. It's used for the intensive pre-wash function that I've shown you, or bleach. When you want to add bleach or intensive pre-wash, this is where you put your detergent. Then you have the fabric softener. You put it over here. It's already D10 fabric softener, and we have the maximum amount. You can see this line. It has a maximum amount of fabric softener you can use, so it's not supposed to pass this line. And then you have this other section, D10 2. That's where you put your main detergent while you are washing. So there are 2 types of detergent that you can put here. We have the powder detergent and you have the liquid detergent. Let me show you some of the detergent that I'm talking about. So the powder detergent, it's this one, the likes of Kina Omo and the rest. That is the powder detergent. You can use that one. And then you have this type. This is the liquid, the power gels and the rest. You can use for those to you. Those are the options that you have to use in this slot. And then your fabric softener. I don't have any fabric softener for now, but yeah, you know the fabric softener. So there are other washing detergent that you can use. We have the pods. The pods are put directly in the tub, but you have to put them before you put your clothes. So the pods go inside here before you start washing your clothes. You put the pods and then you start washing. I wish I had the pods so that I can show you. So basically that's a quick review of how you use the LG washing machine.